That's a good margarita. What's up, you guys? We're Rob and Haley, and today we are going to be using our blender to attempt to make a Mexican happy hour inspired meal. We're gonna do homemade salsa, guacamole, and margaritas. And of course, we have our dog here with us. Hi, buddy.
You gonna help?
Okay, so I think we should start with the margarita so we have something to drink while we make everything else.
That is a great plan.
Okay, get 6 cups of ice, please.
That's 6 cups.
Probably not. Let's just go with it. We need a cup of tequila. That's a lot of tequila.
For good measure.
Hey! Wait, give me that cup back. We need a whole cup of lime juice. You should probably do it.
Wait, what? I've never used this before.
Clearly we know who cooks more.
That's Nicky.
And then you, yeah. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna get half a cup of triple sec. Premium liqueur. And then we need 2 tablespoons of agave. Scoot over. You're in my way.
Box out, box out.
That's probably a little over 2 tablespoons, but I want it to be sweet enough. I'm gonna get some more ice while you're doing that. Look at how much this fits. You can put hot liquids in here too.
Yeah, I think you can actually make like soups with these.
No way. Okay, we need to add lime juice. Okay, I think that's it. Ah!
Dude.
That's really good. Cheers. Okay, let's start the salsa. You open those. A quarter red onion. Oh gosh, roughly chopped. I do not have very good knife skills. Oh, I probably should have used the larger knife. We need to add a proper knife set to our registry. We need 1 cup of this. That's another half cup.
Hydration break. Half a teaspoon. Just do a dash. Cayenne pepper. A couple large pinches of kosher salt.
Blend for about a minute until everything is well minced and combined. That's good. Another thing we need on our registry is some nice pretty bowls because we don't have any.
So the knot is the website that we have our website on.
It's almost ready to be published. And then people can just go on the website and get stuff for us.
Cool. We should do this multiple times.
What, get married multiple times?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Sure.
Cheers. That's good. I think we need to make our own salsa from now on. Now let's make guac. Avocado. All right, we gotta do more garlic cloves. And Rob is over taking care of our dog because, you know, dog parent life, but I want to keep going because I'm hungry. All right, I'm gonna surprise Rob when he gets back with this fresh guac. Okay, now it's time to taste everything together.
Salsa? 9.5 out of 10. From the salsa.
I feel like it needs a little more spices to salsa.
I don't like spicy, so it's perfect. Guac? I like that more than most guacs.
Really?
I want to, because it's more of a puree.
Yeah.
It's like blended, not really chunky. Because I don't like avocado. So the non-chunkiness. All
right.
And then this, 11 out of 10.
I'm so glad that we got to share this at-home Mexican happy hour date night with you guys. It was so much fun, and this blender was awesome. I mean, we made all of this just with the blender, and it was so easy. I'm very impressed.
This blender's awesome.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're looking for your own registry, be sure to check out the Knot Registry. All of the links will be down below, and subscribe to the Knot for more. Cheers.